Hello everyone. Барлықтарыңызға сәлем. What is your to-do list for today? Now I'm speaking with a microphone. I bought it for $3. It's not expensive and I'm very happy. Do you feel the difference? I think now the sound is much better. Do you think so? Or don't? It needs a battery RL44 and it's already in. You choose off smartphone setting because I use a smartphone, but if you use a camera, then choose on setting. Insert a microphone into the plastic loop on your clothing clip and attach it to the front of your clothing. Then plug it into your smartphone. That's all, it's ready. It's my first purchase as a new blogger. My second purchase will be a tripod. Then in the future, I'm going to buy camera of good quality when I become much better. So this is one of my dreams. I believe that dreams come true when you really wish. What was my question? I asked it in my previous video. Do you usually make a to-do list? What is a to-do list for today? Some people write it in a journal, notebook. Some people write it on a sticky note on a fridge. Some people keep in mind, as I do, because I write only monthly to-do list. Then do it step by step. So your to-do list is ready. It's time to accomplish it. First, if you have a lot of things to do, then it's good to get up early to have good results. Some successful people get up very early at 4 a.m. to get everything done. And then they go to bed very early to feel better. But every person knows his body very well and they know what is good for them. Second, do things quickly. If something is urgent or you have a lot of things to do, then it's good to do them quickly to accomplish everything in a single day. But who knows? It depends on your speed and mood. If you're in a bad mood or you can't accomplish everything in a single day, then divide it into days. The third, when something is hard to do, you can ask somebody for help, even if it is your family, friends, colleagues, because in return, you can help them one day. So in this case, you can save your time, energy. The fourth, sleep during the night. Because I work on projects until late at night and the next day I'm nervous, tired, irritable. So sleep 7-8 hours every night to feel better the next day. Finally, time is valuable, so why not to spend quality time? Spend quality time. That's all for today. I'm very happy to share some of my experience with you, to share my impression with you about my microphone, because I'm very happy. Subscribe to my channel for more positive and helpful videos. Bye.